Have you ever got into your vehicle and all you heard was click, click? And the vehicle wouldn't start? Oh my gosh. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. There are many things that you can be aware of when your vehicle doesn't start, such as, is there any sound when you turn the key in your ignition? Is there a clicking noise, but it won't start when you turn the key in your ignition? Does the vehicle crank over, but it won't start? Now, these symptoms can be related to many different reasons, such as battery problems, starting problems, electrical spark problems, or even a fuel issue. So next time you need to have your vehicle repaired, take notice of the exact symptom so you can relay it properly to your auto technician. Thank you for watching. Like us on Facebook and share the information with others. And if you have that question or comment, please don't hesitate. Put it in the comment section below and I will be happy to answer. Thank you.